Welcome to Mortgage Minute with Mitch. So, believe it or not, there is no snow in the forecast today. We're actually looking at highs near 70, so a big difference from last Friday. This week, the big news was the Federal Reserve meeting and raising interest rates. So they did bump it up a quarter point. Now, markets actually responded positively, and we've actually seen a reprice for the better since that announcement, mainly because that's what we were expecting, but also because that's going to help fight inflation. And right now it is rampant. We need to do something to help curb that, and raising interest rates is one of the biggest tools the Federal Reserve has. So hopefully good things to come as a result, and certainly we can expect more rate hikes as the year goes on. So what I want to talk about today as far as the topic is your debt ratio and how we calculate it, or kind of where that comes from. So if you ever heard of your debt to income ratio, that's a measure lenders use to figure out how much of a house payment you can afford. Now, what we use or what goes into it are anything that's borrowed. So when we look at the credit report, we're going to look at things like any current mortgages you have, maybe student loans, car payments, credit cards. All of those are going to come with a minimum payment. So what we do is add up all those minimum payments and then divide it by your gross income. So that helps establish how much money you have or available in order to afford a mortgage payment. So when you add all those numbers up, divide it by your gross income for that month, that's going to determine your debt ratio or your debt to income ratio. Ideally, you want it under 43%, but there are programs that allow you to go to 45 or 50, possibly higher, but just know the higher you go with the debt ratio, you need to have more what are called compensating factors, like a better credit score or more money in the bank, something to kind of offset that risk. So hopefully that helps, and certainly I can help walk you through that process, let you know what your debt ratio is when you're ready to get qualified for a mortgage. So let me know how I can help, and I look forward to speaking with you. Enjoy your day.